Hi friends, Danielle here from White Stitch Co, where I talk about everything knitting and crochet, and today I have a super quick video showing you how to do a 2x2 left-leaning cable. You may see it written as 2/2 LC, and it's worked over 4 stitches on the right side of your work. Here's an example of that cable here, and this is in the pattern, the Hot Chocolate Wrap by Lisa Haynes. This is that pattern there. You can see it's got a lot of different cabling. So on this side here, we've got a left cable and the other side is a right cable. So we will be focusing in this video on this left side here. And let's see, a couple things to note before we start. This is again the right side of the work. It's worked over 4 stitches. I knit continental style, so I hold my yarn in my left hand like so, rather than in my right hand, the tossing method, which would be the English style. And I am also right-handed, if that helps you. So I'm going to demonstrate 2 different ways to do this cable, one with a cable needle and one without. If you're working without the cable needle, I would only recommend that if you are able to and competent enough as a knitter to fix errors if you happen to drop a stitch. And you should also be able to recognize if a stitch is twisted. So let me go ahead and get a cable needle and show you the first method, and then we'll get into the other one as well. So I actually don't have a proper cabling needle. I'll put a picture of that on the screen for you to see what that looks like. Instead, you can do it also with a stitch holder, which I have here, just a small, maybe 3 or 4 inch one that opens like so. And so the first method will be we'll be securing the stitches as we work them. So for this left leaning cable, we're going to pick up our work, and it's a 2x2, so 4 stitches total as I mentioned. We are going to take our method of holding the stitches, and you see we've got a lean, so it wraps leaning to the left in a counterclockwise motion, if you will. So I'm going to put this through these first 2 stitches here and pull them off and hold them in the front. I am then going to knit these next 2 as usual, take the stitches we had on hold, pop them back on your left needle and work them. So you can see we've created the helix again in this way. Now, if I'm going to do this without any needle, let me just take this off for you guys. Drop that there. Okay, so we're back to where we started from. Another way you can do this, and I mentioned, I only recommend this if you are a competent knitter, familiar with how stitches should look and how to fix drop stitches. So, because there is a real possibility you could drop stitches if you're doing it this way. But the convenient and fast way that I like to do my 2x2 left-leaning cable is actually to look in the back of your left needle. We're going to skip the first 2 again and pull these 2 out like that. You see I've worked into the back. I'm pulling them from the back of the next 2 there. This is the dangerous part. We're going to pop all of these off and then slip our left needle through the front 2. And again, you want to make sure they're not twisted. Twisted, of course, would look like that. So you want to make sure it's not twisted. And then put the other 2 stitches back on. So now we've made the twist and they're all on our left side again. We can just work them knitting into each of the 4 as they come off the needle on that side. And that is the same way to achieve our left-leaning cable. Again, let me just say I only recommend that method, again, for if you're able to fix the mistakes if you happen to drop one, and can make sure your stitches are not twisted. Otherwise, it is perfectly fine and very easy to use a stitch holder or cable needle. So that is the left-leaning cable 2x2, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have many tutorials coming up on my channel, and I'll have a playlist for you guys as well if you want to check that out for more techniques to knitting and crochet. And I hope you have a wonderful day.